নমস্কার, সুপ্রভাত। বড় কলকাতা টিভি থেকে আমি সৌমিক। আজকে আমরা সরাসরি দেখাচ্ছিলাম সকাল থেকেই ডিটিপি এর এক কনফারেন্স এআই টুলের ওপরে, আইটি নিয়ে। তো যেমন ডিটিপি এর প্রত্যেকটা প্রোগ্রামেই বড় কলকাতা টিভি শুরু থেকে শেষ পর্যন্ত থাকে, ঠিক তেমনই আজকেও আছে। আমাদের সাথে এই মুহূর্তে আছে, আমরা আমাদের সাক্ষাৎকারের পর্ব তুলে ধরছি। প্রথমেই আছে আমাদের সাথে মিস্টার কাশী প্রসাদ খান্ডেলওয়াল। আমি ওনার থেকে ওনার পোস্টটা জেনে নেব।
বাংলাতে বলবো, ইংলিশে বলবো? I am Kashi Prasad Khandelwal, Chartered Accountant, past President DTPA, the organizing body for today's program, past Chairman of the Institute of Chartered Accountants EIRC, as also past Central Council member for our headquarter Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. Thank you very much for giving this opportunity to have my views on this program. Sir, Account Tech 4.0, as is the subject to today, you would appreciate that when it is 4.0, in the past we have already had 3 such program, most successful program, and the program started way back at the time of the COVID also, and more than 2000 participants from throughout the country participated on virtual system. You can understand that to what extent this was an important program. We have continuously maintaining this particular structure, and this is why 4.0 is the program today. You have observed huge number of participants are there with more than 15 speakers from throughout the country. This itself shows to what extent AI is important, artificial intelligence is important, technology is important. The world is marching ahead towards technology development, and when it is there, we cannot be outside this particular world, and we have to be a part. If we see our life, we started sometime through manual accounting. Today practically, as we have heard in the recent, the last of the deliberation by CA Anil Bhandari, who has been a colleague to me and junior to me in the council also, he has expressed everything in the same fashion. World is going ahead, and we have to go ahead with the country having more than 140 crores population. Country is developing. We have to go with the technology support. Human mind cannot be competing with the IA, artificial intelligence. We have to have that experience and to put the IA in place so that to get the best of the result. That is the basic. Because experience of an individual, human has, first of all, I am to give a question to the ChatGPT, then only I will be getting a reply. If I am asking any information from the AI, first I must be prepared what I am asking. So my intelligence here cannot be a self-regulatory from the AI. But if I am intelligent enough, AI will support me, and maybe I am to take a call on that issue up to maybe 80%, 90%, 95%. I will rely on that. 5% again will be my judgmental level. But AI is very important. If you want to grow, if you want to have the progress, we have to come in line with AI, artificial intelligence. This is the way I look at it.
আমি একটাই, আপনি সবই বললেন, আমার না বলাতে প্রশ্ন।
Without requesting you, I have explained much more than what was expected of me, I believe. Please.
কথা বলবো, এআই যেমন বললেন, এআই নিয়ে তো এখন আমাদের জগৎ সবেতেই এআই। তো এআই এর সিকিউরিটি কি আছে?
AI security, because lot many softwares are already there in the market. As we are observing, যদি আপনি দেখেন, frauds, too many different types of frauds are taking place. Bank, now there is no necessity of OTP. No bank, and for fraud detector, if you see, OTP is not being asked, but by way of a communication through the system only, a particular third party will be put on a conference call, and automatically your account will be hacked. So all these are the precautions how we are to take. AI comes in picture, and human intelligence are now again coming back to that position. I am to apply my mind. Amar mind ta amader dekhte hobe to what extent I should apply AI, to what extent I should stop, and if at all I am applying, then it is foolproof and I am not falling myself in a fraudulent transaction. So AI is to be used with proper caution. Blindly it should not be used. That is the way I look at it. Good of you. Thank you so much.
চলে যাব পরবর্তী পর্যায়ে, সঙ্গে থাকুন।